is a social institution and not a physical reality. There is, in other words, no such thing as time. There is such a thing as rhythm.
What's up? Welcome back to Mena's Daily Dose. My name is Mena and thank you for joining me today. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are already part of the fam, hello, how are you? And thank you for your continuous support. I truly appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful look right here. I am calling it a fall sunset because, honey, this halo eye is definitely giving me some water sunset vibes, and I just love the way it turned out. I think that it's really nice, and I always think that you can bring color into any season. All you gotta do is make it nice and smoky and, you know, deeper tones, and I feel like it definitely works out. So I just love the way this look turned out, and it is just so pretty and so fall appropriate. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then definitely stay tuned. All right, so I really don't like my brows today, but we are going to go with it, okay? So today we are going to be doing a fall glam look. So I'm going to first start off with a transition color, and I'm going to be using my Becca pressed powder and tobacco. Hey, so if you watched my last fall makeup video, then you know that I used this one color out of this Makeup Revolution palette that changed my life, honey. And so we are going to be using that today again, and it is going to be this color right here. As you see, it's more of a mauve color. So I'm just going to use a more denser brush, and we are going to start packing that into the crease. Alright, so I think I have that blended out to my liking. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. So before I started this video, I was playing Spyro on PlayStation, and like my fingers are cramping, y'all. I thought I was catching arthritis. Okay, literally catching arthritis during the game. My hands are so freaking sore, okay? If you play video games, leave me a comment, and if you are on PlayStation, leave your name below. We can definitely connect on there too, honey. Also, let me know your favorite game. I have Spyro, I have Crash, I have Spider-Man, I have Marvel. I think it's like Fighters or something like that. I have Call of Duty, the newest one, I believe so. I have Sonic, and I believe I have some more, but girl, I can't think of them right now. But yeah, leave me your name, your Abby. And so I'm just gonna go back over to this eye just to make sure it matches well with the other eye. So just to make sure everything is blending really nicely, I'm going to go back into that tobacco color, and I am going to blend over that maroon color. And all I'm really worrying about is really above my crease area. I'm really not worrying about anything below that. And you guys will see why in a second. So now it's time to start the glam, okay? And so I'm going to go into my Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to go into Black Heart, which is this color right here. We're going to place that on the entire lid. I'm not gonna go too far in because we're gonna use that space for our inner tear duct highlight. So we are just going to pack that on, and as you see, I'm like cutting the crease a little bit. Don't worry, because we're gonna blend that out. So I'm gonna go back into that maroon color out of the Makeup Revolution palette, and I know I'm looking crazy, but don't worry, it's gonna come together in the end. And I'm gonna go back with a pencil brush from MAC and just blend out the edges. So I'm just going in with a brush that is clean. And don't worry about that over there. It's going to get cleaned up at the end. Then I'm gonna go back with that maroon color and just do a nice sweep. Now I'm just gonna go back into Black Heart out of that Urban Decay palette and fill in any areas that look a little bit sparse on the lid. And then we'll just blend that out one more time. So I want to do a pop of color or that wow effect in the middle of the eyes, and so I'm going to go into this Wet Dry Baked eyeshadow, and this is by Clean Color. So I'm just gonna first go down with it dry, and so I'm going to wet that color, and that's really gonna turn up the intensity of the shadow. Honey, that looks like a fall sunset. So now just going back into that Naked palette again. Then going back into that baked shadow again. Then I'm just going to go in with that black color out of the Naked palette one more time. And we are just going to do a little bit more defining on the outer V. Then we're going to give that a nice blend. And then for the inner tear duct, I'm just going to do just a really nice touch of gold, nothing too much. Then I'm gonna darken it up a little bit with more of a maroon color. My girls too. So we are going to be doing lashes today, honey, because I feel as if, you know, this look is too dramatic to not have some lashes. So I'm going to prep my lashes, and I'm just using some basic mascara. This is a Wet n Wild mascara that I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree. If you watch my makeup videos, then you already know that I have that I did a full face of makeup using only Dollar Tree products, and sis, it's entertaining. You should definitely watch it. I will have it at the end of the video so you can have an easy transition over into watching it, okay? So I'm gonna finish my eyes really quickly, which is just going to be running that maroon color on the lower lash line. Nothing crazy, nothing too much. So in the fall, I also like to bring more warmth and more reddish tones to the skin. So for my blush and kind of as a contour, I'm going to use this top shade right here out of my 3D Ruby Kisses palette. And I just love the way this looks on the skin. And then I need to contour my nose using my tobacco powder from Becca and just bringing some warmth back to the nose. Nothing too crazy. Then you guys already know which highlighter I'm using. If you are an OG, okay, you already know what highlighter I'm using. If you know what highlighter I'm using, help everybody out in the comments below. But this is my favorite highlighter, you guys, and as you see, it's super duper subtle, but it's going to give you that wow that you're looking for. And if you watch my videos, you already know that I'm not somebody who likes all that chunky crap, you know. I like for my face to look as natural as possible. Even though I got it beat, I still want to look like myself, and I don't want to look artificial, you know what I'm saying? So for the lips, I used this in my last fall makeup video as well, and I just love this color. This is a Forever Matte lipstick from Ruby Kisses, and this is in the color I'm Chic, and it is such a nice, deep, cool tone that I love. Alright boos, that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the MDD family. I definitely got more content coming for you guys. And if you guys have suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you are already part of the family, you joined me today, you already know that I appreciate you and thank you for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the MDD family. Like and share this video with your friends, your family, and your associates. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.